This is one of my most anticipated doll. Hoping we get the whole members of Saja Boys, but for now, let's check Jinu. So this is his box. No more dilly-dally, let's open him out. Here he is. He's same height as Ken dolls. I can tell he is so cute. Look at his face. It is movie accurate. Very handsome. I can't take my eyes off him. I love him. He got a small heart fingers. It makes sense why Rumi likes Jinu. With this face, he will get a girl very fast. He got molded hair, which I prefer for boy dolls. Jinu got earrings. This is his outfit. The front is sewn together. He got a pink belt. And his pants has Velcro at the back, same as his top. And of course this doll is articulated. His pants has a small hole. And his shoes has painted details. His inner is a pink sando. Now he looks so feminine. This is his body. Very similar to Ken dolls. Now you all know, Jinu has abs too. He came with extra hand, in which you can switch, with his heart finger hand. Now his accessories. He came with this soda pop can, in which you can attach it with his finger. And the last one, his pink sunglasses. Cute. And now my thoughts about this doll. I love it. I don't mind the molded hair. I know some kids will ruin the hairstyle if it's rooted hair. But overall, not a bad doll. Quality is there, somehow. So far I got 3 of them. Zoe is the last. I'll rate him 4 stars. Thanks for watching.